Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So here we will create first Python program. So in previous video I already told you about that how to make setup everything. So if you haven't watched it, so you can just go to the I button and you can access that video. So we'll create here first Python program first.py. So here we will write print in bracket in double quotes hello. Okay, so if you are a user of Visual Studio Codes, you will have to make sure also that in Visual Studio Code you will have to first save the program, then only you will be able to run, otherwise it will generate error. Okay, or whatever the previous code you have run, that only their output will. Okay, so here you can see that here is a it's my first Python program. Okay, so if you want to create like multiple lines, so like I'm just going to copy this line and we'll print again and again. Okay, so we are going to make some changes like in my first Python. So here I will do it's my second Python program, and here it's my third Python program. And again, as I'm going to run it program without saving. Okay, so you will also see the live example that here it's my first Python program, only it's printing. Okay, but when I will save this program, then again I will run this program, so you can see that here is all the outputs. So how was the video? So please thumbs up if you really liked this video, and do your valuable comment and share with your friends and family this video. Thank you. Have a great day.